Nonverbal. There are people who believe that nonverbal is a permanent word that describes some children with autism. That some children are too old to begin speaking. That some children are too old to say, "Hey mom, hey dad, guess what happened at school today?" That some children will never speak. We are not those people. We are the creators of melodic-based communication therapy, an evidence-based intervention for nonverbal and low-verbal children with autism. Nonverbal. My child will never speak. We are educators. We are therapists. We are parents. We are you. And we don't believe that nonverbal is permanent. We can help. You can help. Learn more about melodic-based communication therapy at www.mellowspeech.com, where melody is a bridge to communication. Special thanks to our sponsors, Baby Sign Sessions, Lamar Patrick Sandiford, Robin Ferguson.